Kajir Arong, which is in Karbi ward, which now is renamed into Kajir Ranga. So what a proud moment for all of us that actually Kajir Rong was taken, as well as according to the legendary that Kajir, and of course everyone knows.
Big dreams and always stand forward boldly and always wanting to conquer the hard challenges and deliver with smile. Standard Don Bosco Higher Secondary, born in a small, beautiful town, Dokmoka, and I'm always a patriotic person. I love my Karbi anglong, and I love my people of Karbi, and I want to see my future generation. Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Rachel Totang. I am a student of second year pursuing Bachelor of Self in co-curricular activities like playing table tennis, debate, writing essay, and challenging my fears as in the regional level and 7th position in the national level. And we were awarded by the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, Government of India. I portray myself as a tenacious person who is not afraid to fail and never gives up. And be the change you wish to see in the world. Thank you so much.
Penjur pijur podu ana bang khasame nili sami protimatiron pipen kardom bajar iklo kardom nili chori deng lage it's just for sir nage tak di girls college along se nili chori dunbo nili ke hang lage lo achani ke kan kilun lapen pu fashion same ning ke hang pick do ate la nang chapate du tak ni film lapen nili ke mang lage nudun se bisni ke mang tu lapen Karbi, so jangan doa tak? Hekhe rere pura, kerana ne, perina ne. Bor ilo prote, hekhe sonve, hekhe thaive. Lawan besi nilam tingkah begitu, karena.
Thank you very much. Next contestant, please.
Beauty starts when we decide to be ourselves, and that's so true. Kardom, my name is Ritika Tarongi. I came from BDB. I'm studying the fourth semester this year at Bukatan College of Bukatan. I believe that every person can achieve their goals if they have courage and confidence in themselves. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Contestant, next contestant, please.